Motorola is back with a sleek new mid-range device that could surprise a lot of people, the Motorola Edge 60 Neo. If you've been sleeping on Moto, this phone might just wake you up. Let's break down everything you need to know. First up, design. The Edge 60 Neo looks premium with Gorilla Glass 7i protection and a slim profile that actually feels more flagship than budget. The real star, though, is that 6.4-inch PO LED display. It's super bright at up to 3,000 nits, meaning even in direct sunlight, you'll see every detail crystal clear. And of course, you're getting buttery smooth refresh rates for scrolling, gaming, and 5G speeds. Under the hood, the Edge 60 Neo is powered by MediaTek's new Dimensity 7400 chip. It's efficient but still powerful enough for multitasking, gaming, and 5G speeds. Battery life is another win here, a 5,000 milliamp hour pack with 68-watt fast charging plus 15-watt wireless charging. That means you can go from 0 to 50% in just about 15 minutes. Not bad for a mid-range phone. Motorola also stepped it up in the camera department. You're looking at a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, backed by ultra-wide and depth sensors. Selfie fans, you've got a crisp 32-megapixel front camera that's great for TikTok, Instagram, and even video calls. Expect bright, balanced shots, especially in good lighting. So, is the Motorola Edge 60 Neo worth it? For anyone looking for a stylish mid-range phone with a stunning display, fast charging, and reliable cameras, this one definitely deserves a look. Motorola is clearly stepping up their game in 2025. Would you pick this over a Samsung A series or Pixel AA? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.